Hello, everybody.
Hi, everybody. Charlie and Amir are going over affirmations today. You guys know what affirmations are? Affirmations motivate, inspire, and encourage us to take actions to realize our goals. Charlie says his affirmations every morning. What about you, Amir?
Yes.
You do?
Yep.
Oh, let my nose go, Amir. What are your affirmations that you say every morning, Amir?
I am smart. I am strong, and I can be whatever I want.
Yeah, that's right, Amir, because you can be whatever you want. And don't let no one tell you that you can't. What do you want to be when you grow up, Amir?
I want to be a cop.
A cop? Oh, wow. Amir is going to protect and serve us. That's great, Amir. I'm not sure what I want to be, but I'll figure it out.
Maybe you can be a firefighter.
Oh, I could be a firefighter, couldn't I? Firefighter Charlie. That's me. I can do it, I can be who I want to be. With my imagination, I can be anything. I can do it, watch and see. No stopping me. With my imagination, I can live my dream. Nothing's impossible. Nothing's impossible. I'm smart and beautiful, strong and creative. I can be anything, I believe in me. I'm full of confidence, resilient and capable. I can do anything, I believe in me. I believe in me. I believe in me. I believe in me. I know I'm strong enough to handle anything. As long as I believe, nothing's stopping me. I'll never give up. I'll try and try again. As long as I believe, I'll find a way to win. Nothing's impossible. Nothing's impossible. I'm smart and beautiful, strong and creative. I can be anything, I believe in me. I'm full of confidence, resilient and capable. I can do anything, I believe in me. I believe in me. I believe in me. I believe in me. La la la. La la la. La 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 la. La la la. La la la. La 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 la. Well, guys, you make sure that you believe in yourself and you can be whatever you want to be too. Isn't that right, Amir? We got to believe in ourselves, guys. Nothing is impossible. We can do whatever we put our heads to do. We believe in us. Okay, guys, it's time for the letter of the day. Do, 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 do. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. What's the letter? What's the letter? What's the letter? What's the letter? Letter of the day, the letter of the day. Letter of the day, the letter of the day. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. What's the letter? What's the today is A. A for affirmations. And A for apple.
It's Kai's community garden.
Hi, Kai.
Hi, Carefree Charlie.
What's going on?
I'm about to gather fruit for Miss Hightower. Want to help?
Oh, okay. Charlie can help.
Okay, great. She needs a dozen apples so she can make her delicious apple pie.
Oh, yeah. Charlie loves her apple pie. But wait, how many is a dozen?
A dozen is 12, Charlie.
12?
Yes, 12.
Okay, cool.
Here, take this small basket and let's go pick the apples.
Got it. Come on, let's go.
Okay, here we are. Let's count the apples before we pick them.
Okay, let's count them.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Okay, that's 12.
Yep, now they're ready for delivery.
Charlie can drop them off for you, Kai.
Okay, great. Thanks, Charlie.
No worries. See you tomorrow, Kai.
See you tomorrow, Charlie.
Miss Charlie, get down!
Michaela, Cody.
Miss Charlie, get down! I can't get down! Get down! Get down!
Michaela, count to 10. Can you count to 10? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Can we count to 12? Let's try it. Let's count to 12. You ready, guys? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. High five, high five. High five, Matt. High five, Covey. We love food. We love food. We love food. If your belly is empty, that's a no-no. Just place your order at Kitchen Go-Go. Garlic, pasta, avocado, potato, spinach, and tomato. You found the best, so stop looking. We're in the kitchen, cooking. Found the best, so stop looking. We're in the kitchen, cooking, yeah. Cooking, yeah. Cooking, yeah. Cooking, yeah. A kitchen go-go, whoa, whoa, whoa. A kitchen go-go, whoa, whoa, whoa. Kitchen go-go, whoa, whoa, whoa. Kitchen go-go. Kitchen go-go, whoa, whoa, whoa. Kitchen go-go, whoa, whoa, whoa. Kitchen go-go, whoa, whoa, whoa. Kitchen go-go. You found the best, so stop looking. We're in the kitchen, cooking. Found the best, so stop looking. In the kitchen, cooking, yeah. Cooking, yeah. Cooking, yeah. Cooking, yeah. Hi, Jeremiah.
Hey, Charlie.
What's the next order for today?
Looks like we got a fruit salad.
Oh, a fruit salad. That sounds good. What's all in it?
Well, let's check the recipe. So it has apples, pineapples, kiwis, and strawberries.
Oh, wow. I love pineapples.
Me too.
Well, come on, let's get started.
Apple.
Wow, look at that pineapple.
It's big, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. Okay, looks great. So what are our first steps?
So we're gonna chop up our apple, our pineapple, our strawberries, and our kiwi.
Okay, cool. Well, let's get started.
Well, now we have everything chopped up. We have our kiwis, our strawberries, our pineapples, and our apples.
Oh, yeah. That looks great.
So why don't we get to putting this in a bowl?
Okay, come on. Let's go.
All right, let's start with putting our pineapples in since they're the biggest.
Okay, yeah.
Now, once the pineapples are in, let's put the strawberries in.
Oh, yeah. That looks good.
And after that, let's put some of the apples in.
Okay.
And finally, the kiwis. My favorite. And let's shake it up a little bit, and we're done.
Okay, time for another order to go out.
All right.
Great job. Today was a great day. Lots of fun. We learned a lot. Isn't that right, Amir?
Yes. We learned about affirmations.
That's right. Affirmations. And you can be wherever you want to be. Isn't that right?
Yes.
Charlie's going to be a firefighter. And what are you going to be, Amir?
A cop.
A cop. That's right.
So we can both save people.
That's what I'm talking about. High five, Amir.
Woo.
Well, till next time, guys. Charlie loves you.
Bye-bye.